Fire in the Blackstone hole! Let's cook an A5 Wagyu steak. Stay tuned. So, the time has come, the walrus said, to speak of many things. Of ships and strings and sealing wax. Of cabbages and kings. I'm waxing poetic because I have this piece of A5 Wagyu that I'm going to put down on my griddle. I have a little bit of kosher salt right here. If I can get it over here where I can grab it. I'm just going to take some kosher salt and lightly salt this puppy like that. Not too much. We're going to drop him on the griddle. The griddle is running on low on this side. This side is turned off. I sauteed some onions and mushrooms over there. I'm going to drop this puppy on here. Get him on there. Going to salt the other side. I should have brought my phone out here to time this. I only want to cook that for 3 minutes on each side. A little bit more of that kosher salt. I hope you can see that. Let's zoom in on that. What do you think? Oh man, it's cooking. You can smell it cooking. I also meant to bring my tongs and I didn't. That's okay. I got some garlic that I sliced in my my mandolin for some thin, crispy garlic that I want to cook up here, along with that steak and the Wagyu fat. It's already throwing off some fat, and the garlic chips are already cooking in it. I just checked to see if I press record. Wouldn't that be awful? Yeah. So nothing on there but salt, and the garlic, of course, is going to infuse it a little bit, not much. And we're going to go 3 minutes on one side while the garlic is cooking. Garlic has to get crispy in there. Oh boy. I'm really not, all I smell right now is garlic, to be honest with you. But you can see that A5 Wagyu fat coming out all around the steak. Gotta let it go for 3 minutes, then we'll flip it. So stay tuned. Okay, that steak's been on there long enough. Time to give it a flip. See how it looks. Oh boy. Looking good. Not staying flat for me though. I think we can get those garlic chips off of there. Get them in a bowl for later. I'm hoping I'll get my old lady out here to do a taste test since she's the one who bought this for me. Get them in a bowl. Garlic. Is there anything better in the world than garlic? Yeah. That's my A5 Wagyu steak. Cooking it up. Cooking it up. Mashing it down. I don't know if I'm doing that right. I've never done this before. Got some garlic over here. Had to rescue it. Rescue that garlic. And this puppy, let's see, let's check its temperature. We don't want to go past about 120 on this thing. We're only at 102, 114, 115, 110. Hey, he's almost done. Nearly done. Japanese A5 Wagyu. Can't wait to get that on a plate. Get that cut up into my mouth. I'm going to portion that into 2 pieces. Half for me and half for my wife. You can't eat this like a regular steak. It's too rich. I'm tempted to cut this little piece off here and stick it in my mouth right now, but I'm not. In fact, I'm going to flip it one more time. See what we're looking on that side. It's looking okay. It's okay. Got to flip it back, I guess. That Wagyu fat is supposed to be delicious, so we're not going to trim anything off of there. I'll flip it again. Should have cut that right there though. Kind of sad right there, isn't it? Got a knife out here. Could cut that. There's the knife. Kind of a sad looking piece of stuff right there. I don't know what that is. Wagyu. Wagyu, baby. This is the dream of a lifetime for me. Okay, we're going to keep a close eye on his temperature. And we're going to get him off there at 120. Let him rest. Let's check him. He's past 120. We got to get him off there. Got to get him off. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, baby, you ready to try this?
Sure.
Okay, first I want you to take a piece of steak that I cut up. I cut up some already right here. Some little tidbits. Take a little tidbit. Show it to the camera. How beautiful that is. Just taste that A5 Wagyu. Oh my God. It melts in your mouth. I gotta get another. So delicious. What do you think?
Good.
Couldn't be any more tender, could it? Now, I want you to take a piece of this garlic and put it on top of a piece of that meat. And I'm going to get a piece of the garlic. Crispy garlic. Put it on top of a piece of meat. I'm going to try that with a piece of garlic on it. See that crispy garlic on there? Oh, it tastes like butter. Okay, now I have two dipping sauces here. I have some ponzu sauce and some soy sauce. Now me, I like soy sauce. So I'm just gonna dip a piece in some soy sauce. I know you like ponzu sauce. Give that a dip. Let's try. Does that look good? Shut up, you. Oh, baby. It's delicious. But you know what? Is it worth $100? It's very rich.
No, it's not.
Very rich, very delicious. It literally melts in your mouth. Mm. You want more?
Not that, please.
Huh?
Yeah.
I like it with the soy sauce on it. Delicious. Mm. Well, I made some veggies and rice. I'm gonna slice up the rest of that and put it in a bowl. But I think that's gonna be the end of the video right there. Thank you, honey, for buying me that steak for my birthday. It's awesome. And you can see how nicely that was cooked. Let me see if I can show it to you. It's a nice medium rare, beautiful, very juicy, very delicious. Is it worth the money? I'm thinking no.
I wouldn't do it again.
I wouldn't do it again. Yeah. It was a once in a lifetime experience. I'm glad I did it. It's delicious. I had a beer ready and forgot it in the house. And yeah. All right, that's my video, babies. A little anticlimactic there. But yeah, A5 Wagyu, imported from Japan. Thanks for watching. Bye!